What is a home? The four walls? Here, du hör rubbings. The objects within, and munches. Sketches. 3 dimensions placed in space, perhaps a neighborhood, a collection of buildings, Anselm Kiefer, or a memory, perhaps music, a collection of songs. What makes home? What carries us forward? What can we rely on and return to? A crutch, if you will, Pepon Osario. Or maybe just a hole in the ground, humble and unseen, Mary Miss. Or a collection of that which is disregarded. The treasure of one is the trash of another, Nari Ward. Or maybe a place of safety, but of movement, for those who do not feel safe, still, and confined, Christoph Woditzko. And what are the frameworks and structures that build a house, a building? Is it just lines in space, containing that space within? The walls like ghosts? Or is it a cage that traps us in a culture, in a representation, an idea of what should be? Or is it reminiscent of a larger global violence to which we are victims, to which we are a simple part, to which we are collaborators, to which we are historical inheritors? Is the home, like the body, just a structure, a framework, a house for our ideas, our love, our soul? Or is the house these actual things, these neighborhoods, these forgotten places, left abandoned, other people's homes, left alone in a street of emptiness? Emptiness, because everyone has moved away. What is that protection that we seek? Walls of brick and stone, or some place to grow, to slide into, to hold, to nourish, to suckle on. Or is that protection also a place of danger, of conflict, rubbing up against? Or a festival? We look at these works of Betty Saar. We take the birdcage. Could it be a place of flight? A ship in the open sea? A seabird trapped? A human unable to grow? all the memories that hold us dear, that we hold dear, that define and reflect. Sometimes the weight of it all, just makes you want to run away. A place of one's own to take with you, to keep you warm in the cold, and perhaps to take a little of that warmth that is being held somewhere else. Or maybe a place to store, to collect and remember. A place to nourish and grow and feed and water. Maybe what will someday be. Maybe what is left. Maybe what is no longer used. Maybe what once was magnificent. Maybe what is used to build up. Or maybe what is used to get there. Oh, mothership, do you have a ride? Material. The weight of steel, yet hanging. Yet hanging. Wood, straight yet curved. Guns. The sound. Shots, music. A place to rest your weary bones. Bones will get you there. Gears. Gears. And bones. What makes a home? What makes a home?